Dual-blade oscillating contour cutter. It adopts horizontal and vertical cutting way. It consists of 3 parts: work table, cutting frame, control cabinet. Work table, cutting frame, control cabinet. The control cabinet is used for operate the machine. Remote control. Emergency stop switch. It's used to stop emergency issue. Power on. Vibrational frequency. Vibrator frequency from low to high step by step. Tension valve. It's used for tension blade. Vertical cutting and horizontal cutting. Switching power supply. Receiving probe. Receive the device by remote control. The workbench is driven by the motor too. To connect the synchronous wheel with the synchronous, complete the transmission of the workbench. Both sides work table have synchronous, belt-driving synchronous wheel. The cutting frame is composed of 4 pieces. It separately locates left and right cutting frame. Gearbox. Right gearbox. Then above and under work table on both. Above cutting machine. Under work table. Sides of cutting frame. Each gearbox consists of a large motor, used for finish cutting work. A small motor to control the 360-degree rotation of the cutting blade, and a cooling fan for heat dissipation. This motor is used to control roller, to ensure stability of the cutting, improve cutting precision. Tension valve is used for tension blade. Sponge test cutting.